Okay, second graders, put your name at the top, at the top. Put your name at the top, at the top. Put your name at the top. So if we lose it, we can find it. Put your name at the top, at the top. Okay, today we are just reading and writing our numbers. We're going to try our best to spell. And if it's not exactly right, that's okay. But the cool thing about this is when you get on the inside, you can use this front to help you write. So we have 1. The word for 1 is O-N-E. After 1 is 2. So 2 is spelled T-W-O. Then we have 3. Then we have 4. 5. 6. Six. Ooh, that I is not good, so I'm going to erase this and start over. That's okay. S-I-X, 6. 7. 8. Ooh, this one's hard. I'm going to help you with this one. It's E-I-G-H-T. And 9. Now we're going to go to the teens. So we start with 11, then we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I already know how to spell 6, and I can see teen here, so S-X-teen. 17, 18, 19, and the 10s. Here we go, 10. Then we have 20, and E, that Y makes the E sound. 30, 40. Ooh, this one's different than spelling 4. It's or, and then T, T-Y. 50, 60, 70, 80. Make sure you have that written on your paper. If you needed to pause at any time, that is fine, or rewind. All right, you should have done number 1 and number 2, numbers 1 and 2 with Mrs. Powell. If you are at the first group, then you probably haven't done it. You'll take your paper with you to your last station and do it with Mrs. Powell. Go to the inside. Okay, so for numbers 1 through 4, you just have to write the number after you read it. So number 1 is 57. So go ahead and trace that. Number 2, that word is 30, 31. And when you have a number that is over 20, and you write a hyphen in the middle. So this is 31. Number 3, 90, 90. And 4, 14. So that's 14. Oh, so numbers 5 through 8, now we have to write the word. And remember when I said it's a double digit like this, we have to have a hyphen to separate the 60 and the 6. Or if it's like 72, we have to have a hyphen in between the word 70 and 2. So 60, I have to write a little bit bigger. Hyphen 6. Let's go to number 6. 70. Oh, I hear that pause, so that hyphen or that dash needs to go in the middle. 3. So I'm going to write 70. Now I need a dash, because I said that first word. This is like kind of like a comma. 3. Separates the two numbers. 17. I don't need a dash because that's all one word. And 8, 99. Ooh, I need a dash. I heard 90, and now I have to put the 9. So a dash goes in between the words. 90 dash 9. Remember, if you needed to pause, go ahead. Let's go to the do you understand. What is the same about the number words for 6, 16, and 64? What is different? Well, I'm looking at them right now, and I see 6, 6, and another 6. So that means that they all have a 6 6 in them. Okay, so I've answered what is the same. So check. Now I have to do what is different. I'm going to put a comma, but they are not the same number. Remember, if you need to pause to write this, go ahead. Period at the end. So I'm going to read this to make sure it makes sense. They all have a 6 in them, but they are not the same number. Period. Yep. Okay. Go to the next side. Okay, your job is to read this number, read these numbers, and then write the actual digits for that number. I'm going to start with number 9. It says 92. So I'm going to write 92. You need to read number 10, 11, and 12 on your own. Number 13 through 16, it says write the number word. Okay, so I hear 54. Oh, there's that pause, remember? So I need to add this hyphen like in 64. So 50. Ooh, I need to back up. 50 hyphen, and the number word for 4 is F-O-U-R. And that makes the numbers go together. Go ahead and do number 14. Write the word 60. You can go to the front to see how to spell it. Number 15 is 41. Ooh, that one's going to need a hyphen. Where are you going to put that hyphen? And number 16 is 38. Ooh, that one sounds like it needs a hyphen. Number 17 and 18. Write the number word that completes the pattern. 42, blank. 46, 48. Ooh, so I know it's going to need 40. But then what would go 40? So I'm going to write this 42, blank, 46, 48. Ooh, 2, blank, 6, 8. Ooh, that's going to be 44 because I'm counting by 2s. Number 18, I want you to do that one on your own. 60, 61, blank, 63. Go to the back. All right, it says make a list to show your answer. Ooh, a list. We just did that in writing today. We did the things to do at a carnival, but this one's going to be a list of numbers. Number 19, how many 2-digit numbers can you make using the digits 3, 4, and 7? 2 digits, so it should only have a ones and a tens place, or tens and a ones. So I can make 34. Okay, I could make 43. I can make 37. I could switch those around and make 73. What else could I make? I'm missing a couple. See what else you could make. I did 3 of them. I bet you could make a lot more. I already see 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 more 2-digit numbers you can make. Number 20, look at the cubes. What number do they show? Which of these is the number word? Ooh, so these are tens. 10, 20, you keep going. Is it 9, A 9, B 40, C 45, or D 44? And number 21, yes, you need to do this. It's the journal. Draw a picture to show 27 2 different ways. Okay, so here's one way you can draw it. Put a line down the middle. Show me a second way. You could either use words to write it, draw a picture, or you could write the number. Okay, but you need to pick 2 ways. When you are done, turn it into the turn-in basket. Then, if it is Friday, you can get on Prodigy. If it is not Friday, then you need to get on Freckle or mental math cards. If we haven't learned mental math cards, don't ask what they are. We'll learn it later. And you're waiting till you go to your next group.